Wise Account Deactivated. What to do? Has your Wise account been deactivated? Do not panic. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through what to do to get your account reviewed and possibly reactivated. Step 1. Check for a reactivation message. First, check your email and in app notifications from Wise. They usually send instructions explaining why your account was deactivated and what steps you need to take. Step 2. Contact Wise Support. If there are no clear instructions, contact Wise Support directly. You can reach them through live chat or email inside the Wise app or website and ask for help with your deactivated account. Step 3. Verify your identity. Wise may ask to confirm your identity. Make sure you upload all requested documents clearly and accurately to avoid further delays. Step 4. Wait and follow up. After submitting everything, wait for Wise to review your account. This process may take a few days. If you don't hear back, follow up politely with support. If your Wise account is still deactivated, continue communicating with Wise support and follow their instructions closely. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you resolve the issue.